Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. We're loaded up. We're ready to go. We got the command center going. We got all of our food. We got cameras. We got maps. We got everything. We're ready to go. We are heading out to the Black Mesa for a few days. Camp, gonna hike, gonna have a good time. Hope you guys stay with us. Check out the video. Yeah, should be a great weekend. It's gonna be a little cool on Saturday. We might stay an extra day. Right now we're planning on coming back on Saturday. We might stay an extra day, just kind of hang out in the camper. I don't know. But anyways, that's what the plan is right now. Hope you enjoy. See you guys later. Hey everybody. So we are out literally in the BFE. Look at this. There ain't anything out here. We're about 50 miles away from the Black Mesa, so we got about another hour, and the wind is killing it right now. And what I mean it's killing is my gas mileage. I did not account for this. But it's okay. I'm learning. This is the first trip with the camper at any kind of distance. We're going to be driving about 700 miles this weekend. And I'm glad I have some good audiobooks and I can switch over to Pandora if I need to, because good Lord, there isn't a whole lot of scenery out here. A whole lot of flat fields. There's not even fences. I mean, they're not worried about animals. I mean, this is all agriculture, you know, and fields, wheat, you know, whatever's out here. I don't know. But, and I did see I saw one antelope, but that's it so far. But yeah, the truck's having to work pretty hard right now because of the wind, the drag, and all that stuff, and running right into that front that's coming in. Is going to be here, that cold front. So that is not helping. It got a lot of drag. The camper's pretty tall, and so it's just dragging. But it's all good, man. It's all good. It's a new experience. That's all what I'm about. It's all what I'm about. Oh my God, I can't even talk. Anyways, it's all good. I'm out here to get new experiences, try new things, see new things. So you gotta take the good and the bad. It's what happens when you travel, you know? Oh, look at that. Thing's all knocked over. I bet the wind did that, for sure. But anyways, we got about, like I said, we got about an hour left, and then we'll be setting up camp and seeing what's around, maybe cook some dinner. If the wind's blowing this bad when we're out there, we probably won't be able to do a fire, just because, you know, I don't want to like burn half the state, because that'd be bad. And so we'll just have to check the fire danger and all that stuff. But if the wind's this bad, and if I don't have any block or anything like that, we might have to just cook in the camper, which is fine. I got plenty of propane, so we can cook in the camper, not a big deal. Alright, so anyways, we're going to shut off right now. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see, but over there's a herd of pronghorn there on the horizon. A couple of them actually got kind of close. I was kind of surprised. But anyways, we're pretty close. I'm gonna go ahead and get on into the park, and we'll set up and we'll see if we can't find some more stuff to look at. So it's roughly 7 o'clock. I don't know what's on my hoodie right there. Anyways, it's roughly 7. And yeah, hey, almost right on the money. Anyways, I need coffee. So we got coffee going. I got the skillet heating up. We're gonna cook some breakfast. And yeah, we're just gonna, let's get to it. We're out hiking on the Black Mesa Trail. So this should take us, I think the map said 4 to 6 hours, because it's 4 miles up and 4 miles back. So I've got food and I've got plenty of water and I've got a first aid kit and all the things, you know. So we're gonna try it. I don't know if we'll be able to, but I'm gonna give it my damnedest, you know. So anyways, we got a long walk ahead of us, but if we can make it to the summit, that'll be something that, you know, I haven't done before, and I'm looking forward to it. So we're gonna keep on going. We'll see you guys when we get to the top. Oh, good morning. Well, it is Saturday, and Saturday, April the 13th, and it is a rainy sucker outside right now. It rained, I don't know if it rained all night, but it rained quite a bit last night. It was very loud for a little bit, and then I think it stopped, and then I think another wave came in this morning. But anyhow, I don't know if we're going to do very much today. We might just kind of hang out in the camper. I've got a couple books, and I've got some movies, just kind of chill. I might look through my photos, jot down a couple of ideas that I've had. Oh, excuse me. Well, I've been here, so I don't forget them. But really, I think that's about all we're going to do. If the rain lets up, we'll probably get out and explore the park a little bit. Just stay on pavement and stuff. Any of the trails, I think it'd be too wet and too hazardous, really, to get out and really do anything. So I've got some coffee brewing. We'll have breakfast. I've got a couple movies I can watch. I do have Game of Thrones Season 1. I have seen it before, but I'm going to watch it all again before I watch Season 8 because I do that. So anyways, we're going to watch that. And like I said, we'll probably look through a couple books. And I've got one I'm about done with, so we'll read it. Look through photos. Just kind of hang out. Take a chill day. Gonna have breakfast. Looking forward to it. I'm hungry. And I guess we'll video and stuff later if we can. So, see you guys later.